Hello, YouTube. I like to read posted articles of a bright Russian scientist, a graduate of the top military space academy, now a leading engineer and programmer involved with the ISS and Mir station projects, previously in the GLONASS and other special programs of his country. Most likely, he also worked for the little-known Russian Space Intelligence Agency. Sergei is very bright. I think there is a reason he publishes information on the internet about outer space exploration, celestial mysteries, moon and Antarctica, for example. Maybe it is a signal to his counterparts pointing out certain things, meaning this: we know this much or more, but this is all we will admit to. Or maybe Sergei is just having fun. Sergei has immense knowledge and a cool sense of humor. And you can find out more in my other videos about him. But today I want to state for you his observations about three fascinating ancient monuments or structures. I think we can use either word for this. History should be studied unbiasedly, neutrally, and without pre-established dogmas. Only in this way we will be able to understand a lot about our past and about all the mysteries that it hides. Real science must be impartial, and it should develop its tools in such a way that they can flexibly respond to new facts and discoveries. Today we will talk about ancient man-made monuments which still cause fierce disputes among scientists and researchers. Their origin and the purpose of their creation can provide invaluable information for our history, which many people consider incomplete. In this video, we will look at three ancient monuments that can completely rewrite history as we know it. The Göbekli Tepe temple complex is without a doubt one of the most mysterious monuments on the planet Earth. This incredible ancient place is in the south of Turkey, near the border with Syria. It is believed that the megalithic stone circles found here are part of the oldest temple ever created by our ancestors. They are even several thousand years older than Stonehenge. Many scientists believe that these ancient megalithic ruins are the remains of a temple built by a hunter-gatherer society. But there are also those among them who believe that Göbekli Tepe is the first temple on this planet, and in fact it was created by a much more developed civilization than official science believes. The mysterious temple, consisting of three huge stone circles, was deliberately buried in the ground for an unknown reason in the distant past. And here's what's interesting. After many years of excavations, archaeologists exploring this ancient place failed to find a single stone cutting tool. Until now, no one can understand how primitive, according to science, ancient humanity built one of the greatest stone structures on this planet. However, this does not bother classical scientists much. Well, a riddle, an enigma, what's the big deal? And aren't there enough mysteries in ancient stones? Columns of the Göbekli Tepe temple complex. And all this that Sergei presents, he says, is from open sources. Well, he continues, listen, fellow candidates for the PhD degree. Well, how could ancient people have created 3-meter, perfectly polished columns 11 or even 12,000 years ago? And at the same time, you did not find any evidence of what tools were used in this? Many researchers say that if we understand the purpose and origin of Göbekli Tepe, we will learn a lot more about religion, ancient humanity, and its incredible ability to create monuments that even today are considered simply impossible by engineers. And then we go on to Africa, the underground library of ancient Egypt. There is a legend that somewhere in the sands of Egypt, there's an incredible ancient Egyptian underground library, and that the official authorities know about its existence. But for some reason, they hide this information. It is believed that it is located somewhere in the desert less than 100 kilometers from Cairo. This ancient underground temple allegedly consists of more than 3,000 rooms, which, according to devotees, are decorated with intricate hieroglyphs and paintings telling a story that precedes our written history. The library was built in those distant times when, according to some researchers, the mythological Atlantis ruled the world. It is believed that important ancient texts are stored in this temple, which may even help us understand who actually built the pyramids of Giza, and also when they were built, and what is their true purpose. Many scientists consider this ancient underground library to be just another myth. However, Herodotus described it thousands of years ago. It consists of 12 courtyards covered inside with gates facing each other, 6 on the north side and 6 on the south, connecting one to the other, and the same wall surrounds them all from the outside. And there are 2 kinds of rooms in it. One is underground, and the other one is above them, 3,000 in number, 1,500 of each kind. We have seen the top set of the chambers ourselves. And then we travel on to the Americas. Teotihuacan, the ancient citadel of Teotihuacan, is perhaps one of the greatest, if not the greatest, ancient cities of Mesoamerica. This ancient metropolis was one of the largest in America and had some of the largest buildings ever built in Central America. Interestingly, no one knows its original name, and no one knows who built this magnificent ancient complex. Although many archaeologists believe that Teotihuacan was founded around 100 BC, there are no written records mentioning this ancient city that appeared in these places 500 years before the arrival of the Aztecs. When the Aztecs arrived in Teotihuacan, then the city was already in ruins. Researchers believe that at the peak of its development, the city occupied more than 30 square kilometers and had a population of over 200,000 people. Teotihuacan, the city of gods. In the hieroglyphic text of ancient Maya, the region where Teotihuacan is located is referred to as the place of reeds. The name Teotihuacan was given to the ancient city by the Nahuatl-speaking Aztecs, and this word translates as the birthplace of the gods, or the place where the gods were born. The ancient Aztecs believed that our universe was created by the gods and Teotihuacan, which means that this ancient place must have been very important to them. Understanding who built this ancient city can provide invaluable information about the ancient history of America. This is one of the most beautiful and mysterious ancient places on our planet. So this is what the Russian scientist and whoever else he may be believes. Now, if you look at my videos about enigmas and mysteries of our history, you will find a few more mysterious structures around the world and connections to the ones described in this video, and similarities. And I will bring more information like this in the future. So if you like my research and the information I bring forth, please support me. You will find out how to do it in the links to this video. Please tell others about my channel. I really appreciate it to spread the knowledge. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.